First, let's mince green onion for rolled omelette. Next, I make 2 rice balls and grill them. Add butter and soy sauce. Grill until browned. Please adjust the amount of soy sauce as you like. Next, I will make rolled omelette. Make beaten egg. Add minced green onion and crab stick. Season with salt. Add oil to heated frying pan. Pour in egg liquid little by little and make rolled omelette. For miso soup, I use this miso bowl. By using this, you can save a lot of time in the morning. All you need is dissolved miso bowl with boiled water. I will show you how to make this miso bowl in the last part of this video, so please check it out. By the way, the colorful bowl in the miso soup are wheat gluten, fu in Japanese. Wheat gluten will soak the soup well and become so juicy and tasty when you pour boiled water. I love this because it's so colorful and beautiful ingredient. For the first side dish, I'm gonna shred carrot and microwave at 500 watt for 1.5 minutes. Next, cut broccoli into bite-sized and microwave it at 500 watt for 30 to 40 seconds. Season carrot with sesame oil, soy sauce, salt, and grated garlic. Put white sesame seeds as you like. Sprinkle salt and pepper on broccoli. Next, let's make rolled omelette. Add sugar and salt. Sugar is optional. Add oil to heated fry pan. Pour in egg liquid little by little and make rolled omelette. After I cut the omelette, I will make 3 rice balls. Wet your hands with water first, then put rice after spreading salt a little on your palm. First one is pickled plum. Make sure to remove the seed first. Second one is spicy coleslaw. The last one is simple, only salt. Dish up side dishes. Rub rice balls in seaweed as you like. Dissolve miso bowl with boiled water. This time, the ingredients are green onion, pickled plum, and black sesame. First, I chop spinach and boil it for 1 minute because Japanese spinach has harsh taste. Next, cut cheese into cubes. This is ingredient for rice balls. Put salted kombu. Please use regular kombu and salt if you don't have salted kombu. White sesame seeds, sesame oil, soy sauce, and cheese. Next, let's make scrambled egg with spinach. Put a pinch of salt. Squeeze water from boiled spinach and add it to egg. Dissolve miso bowl with boiled water. This time wakame seaweed is added for the miso bowl. I got this super cute chopstick rest. Let's prepare wakame for rice bowl. Soak dried wakame seaweed in hot water. After 30 seconds, drain hot water. Next, I'm gonna make cabbage stir fry. Cut cabbage into bite-sized. Make a cut-in sausage. Stir fry them. And season it with mirin and soy sauce. Start to combine. Chop or mince wakame seaweed. Mix rice with wakame seaweed, sesame seeds, sesame oil, mirin, soy sauce, and salt. I was gonna make fried egg for the last side dish, but I failed to crack the egg, so I decided to make scrambled egg instead. Put ketchup. Dissolve miso bowl with boiled water. The ingredient is very simple, only green onion. First, let's make miso soup. Chop nanohana. Cut thin fried tofu into rectangles. Simmer with water. Next, pour oil in a pan and cook shisha smet. Grill for 3 minutes on each side. Next, make rice bowl and place pickled plum in middle. Remove seed in advance. Grill the fish another 3 minutes. Ingredients are ready, so add miso paste. Dissolve miso. Shiso leaf is a very beautiful green. It can be a great condiment too. Wrap seaweed on sides as they like. First, remove string from snap peas. Wash them and microwave at 500 watt for 30 seconds to 1 minute. I will season it later. Next, I prepare for mixed rice balls, minced green onion, chopped crab stick, next one is side dish. Wash potatoes and remove potato eyes. This type of potato is called shinjaga, which are potatoes shipped immediately after harvesting, so I don't have to peel the skin, it's so fresh. Cut it into bite-sized and microwave potatoes at 500 watt for about 4 minutes until soft. Let's prepare miso sauce for potato. Miso paste, butter, and honey. Let's back to rice bowl ingredient. Crack egg, add salt and pepper. Make hard scrambled egg for rice balls. Potatoes are cooked, so season it with the miso sauce. Finally, I can make rice balls. Add egg, green onion and crab stick, pinch of salt, and soy sauce. I made 3 mini rice balls. For snap peas, add salt and olive oil. Dish up side dish and rice balls. So here goes how to make miso balls. I will make 4 different kind of miso balls. First, minced green onion. I use this for all of the miso ball. I bought this regular red miso paste, which doesn't contain dashi. You can of course use dashi miso paste, but I got this because I thought a lot of people have this normal version of miso paste. For 1 serving, use 1 tablespoon miso paste, and please don't forget to put 1 teaspoon dried bonito shavings. It works as dashi. If you use dashi miso, you can skip this part. Then add green onion. Just mix the ingredients and roll it up. You can just finish here, but this time I want to add this wheat gluten. Fasten with a rubber band or tape. If you refrigerate it, it can last about 1 week. If you put it in frozen storage, it can last about 1 month. Next miso ball is a little unique one. I use pickled plum. Since the plum is salty, I reduced the amount of miso in half. Add pickled plum. If you put this amount of plum, it won't be too sour, but you can feel great scent of plum. Dried bonito shavings, green onion. Mix the ingredients and roll it up. You can finish here, but I want to add black sesame this time. It matches well with Plum. Next miso bowl is almost the same as the first one, but adding dried wakame seaweed is different. Mix the ingredients and roll it up. The last one is very simple. I just put green onion. If you don't have wakame or any other ingredients, that's no problem at all. Please try like this, only miso and green onion. Also, you can add tofu, dried vegetables, pickles, aonori, and so on. If you are planning to freeze the miso bowl, maybe using tofu is not so good because the texture will change a lot. That's all for all of my recipes for this video. Please enjoy making your own miso bowls and onigiri rice bowl. Thank you very much for watching.